1. Wash the car. 2. Polish the downpipe. And 3. Paint the heat shield. Oh, we can't because it's fucking raining.
You're so damn hip. You've been hypnotized. It's all
So I just had the old key cut. No, that doesn't make any sense. I just had the new key cut. That's the old one. That's the new one. So I'm gonna check if it works. Oh, the door works. Ah. Okay. Only works for the door, which means there's a chip inside of the other one, which is a problem. So if I take the original key and put it next to the new one as I turn it, it works. So there must be a chip inside this one. The only thing I can think of is going to a dealer. It's just, I feel like it's going to be crazy money. Just to clarify, this is the heat shield for the downpipe. Okay, so the sides where it looks more polished, or the edges where it looks more polished, is where I used a block. So there was more pressure on it, which, you know, made it look a lot better and a lot more polished off. I'm just going to use some metal polish on and see what it looks like. If it doesn't look like the way I want it to look, which it probably won't, then I'll probably just spray it. Seems as though I might spray it. And the bolts, I'm not sure how they look when they go in. Oh, it looks pretty cool. Maybe I'll paint those as well though. So the fuel door looks a bit bent here, it's pushed in, and I think it's because, oh, it's a bit stiff. It's because this bracket here is slightly bent that way. So I'm going to have to bend it back. I'll put probably a trim tool in there and just bend it over, saves me taking it off, but it needs cleaning as well. I'm going to take these wires out. How are these even stuck down? The fuck is that? What? Looks like it's been melted into the fucking plastic. That's out. I do not know where that's going to lead to. So these must be cables that go into the stereo.